Hello, I'm Laura Klinger. I am an associate professor in the Department of Psychiatry, and I'm the director of the TEACCH Autism Program here at the University of North Carolina.
My name is Mike Chapman. I'm the Director of Employment Services for the UNC TEACCH Autism Program, and we're here on behalf of a much larger team that is hoping to promote an employment toolkit. This toolkit is designed to support employers who are hiring neurodiverse individuals, but more importantly, those on the autism spectrum.
Our team here at the University of North Carolina has been working on the problem of increasing employment outcomes for autistic adults. We used to think that autism was a rare disorder. However, it's not a rare disorder. 1 in 54 individuals in the United States has a diagnosis of autism. Many of these individuals have the intellectual skills capable of strong competitive employment outcomes. However, nationally, only 37.5% of adults with autism are employed, meaning many adults are home doing nothing and not having a great quality of life. Mike and I and our team are working to raise those rates. In fact, at TEACCH, we're able to successfully find and help adults with autism maintain employment 83.5% of the time. Our difficulty is that our current service system is delivered one-to-one, and that creates a bottleneck with long waiting lists for services from our employment services program. So our goal is to create a virtual toolkit or online training to help employers understand more about how to support employees with autism, and also to help employees know how to be successful at work. Our online toolkit therefore increases access to employment. It supports beyond awareness that hiring somebody with autism is a great thing to do. It tells employers how to specifically support employees with autism. We also want to develop a program that fits the needs of our business partners, and we want to develop a toolkit that uses language similarly for employers and employees so they can work collaboratively together.
One of the examples in our virtual toolkit is the simple asking for help. We find so many times the ability to know who to go to, what to ask and when impacts a person's success in employment. We find employers struggle with how to help the individuals that are working with them. The individuals with autism are also struggling with how and when to ask. So we've created this beautiful tool, and by putting it inside the virtual toolkit, it'll allow both employer and employee to access it together so that they can work to develop a system that'll help the individual be successful. In putting together our team, we knew we had to gather a large, diverse group of people from many different backgrounds with many different experiences. For our research side, we pulled together UNC researchers who are knowledgeable in the field of autism. We also pulled together many clinical expertise people, some of them people with boots on the ground who are actually providing the services, as well as those who run and manage services. But most importantly, we pulled together individuals with autism. And the individuals with autism are there to share their experiences of working in companies and how these types of programs have helped them be more successful. Then, on the other side, we brought the other piece of this. We brought our business partners. We brought business partners from many different backgrounds, many different companies, and they too are sharing some of the successes and some of the challenges they've had in hiring and supporting adults with autism. Once we brought together our team, we really want to take advantage of the opportunities that we and our clinical expertise bring, as well as the business partners. The business partners bring a worldwide experience in terms of providing business services to individuals around the world. TEACCH does the same thing in terms of providing services and consultation to programs that are trying to develop employment services around the world. With this toolkit, we wanted to make something that truly was innovative. Human-centered design allows us to do all that. It brings together businesses, it brings together technology, and it brings together the right people to create something that people want to use for the betterment of everyone's lives. So people ask, why this product and why now? Well, as you can see from our business partners are clamoring for information about how to support these employees. One of the things that we know is there are over 7 million people with autism in the United States. Over 5.5 million of them are adults. And every year, 50,000 new adults with autism are entering into our workforces. Our companies are not ready. They want to be ready, they want to support, but meeting those needs is so vital, and our corporate partners have come to us and said, how can we get the information from you into our corporate ecosystems so we can support these individuals?
Thank you for giving us an opportunity today to talk with you about our employer toolkit for autistic adults and their supervisors. Through the support of the C. Felix Harvey Award, we've been able to begin the process of creating an employer toolkit. We have dreams and visions of a toolkit that's integrated both for employees and their employers. Mike and I and the rest of our team are happy to talk with you about that vision for where we can go next to support autistic adults across the United States. Thank you.